With the measurements ready, let's walk the seams. Select Walk Pattern tool, click on the point or part of a pattern outline. An arrow appears between the selected point and the cursor. Click on a point of a pattern you'd like the first pattern to be compared with. The preview of the first pattern moves to the clicked position. Now move the mouse cursor along the pattern outline to compare the patterns. The tool allows us to place a notch on the stationary, walked, or both patterns. Right-click while walking the patterns and select from the options. It also gives us an option to relocate the walked pattern to the selected point of the stationary pattern by selecting Move Walked Pattern to Intersection. This is useful because we can immediately make the required changes, like adjusting the seam lengths. You can also walk the patterns that consist of several parts, provided the parts have been sewn. For example, if you have a bodice that has a side panel and you need to walk the sleeve to check the arm's high, select the Walk the Pattern tool, click on the sleeve point, then on the corresponding point on the bodice. Now walk the pattern as usual, and when you reach the end of the side panel, the tool will take you to the next panel automatically. If you don't have the sewing applied, this function will not work. When you've finished adjusting the pattern, select it with Transform Pattern tool and in the right-click menu select Rotate Y-axis. Select a vertical line, in this case center back, and click. The pattern will straighten out. After this, use Transform Pattern tool to move the pattern down to align with the skirt front. A thin pink line will appear when the pattern pieces are at the same level. Release the mouse to place the pattern.